Hello everyone, I'm here to discuss the concept of signs and syntax in films. First, I will talk about what is the meaning of sign or syntax, and then I will give you some examples of films. Okay, uh, what you need to know to deal or to write on sign and syntax on films is that sign has two parts, signifier and signified. The concept of sign emerges from structuralism, that is a philosophical branch or a theory that deals with the structure of words, um, exactly, why that word was used instead of this word, okay, what particular words imply, okay, how they imply. So structuralism deals with the structure, the formation of words. Now, sign has two parts, signifier and signified. What is a signifier? Signifier denotes to the concrete form or image of an object. So when I say that, do you have a Titan watch? Okay, when I say, do you have a Titan watch? So the Titan watch, the word Titan watch, okay, it becomes signifier, okay. In written form or maybe in spoken form, it becomes signifier, okay. Even if I show you the watch and I tell you, do you have it? Okay, so that also becomes, the image becomes the concrete form, the word becomes the signifier in written, in oral form, or in the form of an image, if I hold. Then signifier denotes to the mental concept. Now, when I say, do you have a Titan watch? Then in your mind, you are thinking about a watch. Okay, so that mental image is called signifier. And there is an arbitrary relation between signifier and signified. Arbitrary means there is no meaningful relation between a signifier and a signified. Why the watch is called a watch? Why a water bottle is called a water bottle? Why a water bottle is not called as a chair? Why don't we refer it to as a chair? So there is no no meaningful, so no direct relation. Okay, so I can start calling a water bottle as a chair, and if I keep calling a water bottle a chair over a period of time, it will become a chair. Okay, so it's the mental concept will change. Okay, then sign, for example, this is a sign, that's sign of a tree, and it has two parts, signifier, signified. Signifier is the physical form, the letters, icon, sound, and signified the mental concept. So when I say tree, the image, the mental image that you are having with the tree, when you think about a tree, you think about that any tree, the image of a tree as very important to our ecology. It is important to nature, it is important to life, health, food, everything. Now, okay, so I will. Yeah. For example, there is nothing about the physical quality of paper that requires denotation by the phonological sequence paper. Why do we call a paper paper? Why can't we call it something else? Why can't we call it pen? There is no logical relationship between the names that we have given to objects. Then, a white dove is a sign of peace, tolerance, friendship. A tiger is a sign of wildness and fierceness. So, in the film Maleficent, when you will watch the film Maleficent, when you would notice that Stefan chops off the wings of Maleficent, that is the sign of betrayal. Okay, and that is also a sign of patriarchal culture or the male domination. on the female, on women. Okay, wings are used for flying high. Wings are used for flying. And when I say fly, okay, so the signified that you have, the mental concept that you have is about growth, development. Okay, so Stefan chopping off Maleficent's wings is a sign of domination. Okay, then comes, what is syntax? Syntax, in simple words, means language. Okay. Now, films do not have, you know, a grammar like the English language, Punjabi language, Urdu language. Films do not have that kind of a grammar. But films have a grammar, a set of rules, okay, that is different from any other language. And not every one of us have to be thorough with the grammar. Even, for example, if there is a French film and you don't know French, if you watch it, you will get to know the story. You will be able to deduce the emotions. So why is it so? Because it is made up of images, okay? And visually represented images are more meaningful to us. Okay, they are able to create an impact on us. Next, film syntax are images and movements which are fused with meanings. Films have a universal language of emotions which can be understood by everyone. Okay, so films become, in a way, a medium of communication. Okay, it's because films communicate, films have a universal language. Okay, so syntax is the arrangement of the sequence of events in a film. Syntax is the arrangement of signs in a film. Okay, signs, symbols, images are signs, isn't it? Images are signs. So Stefan chopping off Maleficent's wings, Maleficent again rising up, uh, you know, trying to win her wings back. The entire development of the film would not have been possible if there would not have been the sequence of signs. So the gradual sequence of signs gave a syntax to the film. Okay, so as sign and syntax keep on functioning in a parallel way, okay, influencing each other, mutually dependent on each other, thereby form of a film emerges, the structure of a film emerges. Okay, so in the next unit, I have discussed what is form and content in films. I hope this was meaningful to you. Have a good day.